Hola, profe y compañeros. Doy inicio a mi presentación correspondiente a la actividad Important Events in My Life. My name is Edison Herrera. Introduction. The following is a summary of my vacations, memories of my childhood and my time at school. My favorite vacation were the yogurt. I went to school tables. What did you go with? I went with all my family. When was that vacation? Those vacations were in July 2017. When was that vacation? What was that situation about? It was about spending a pleasant family time. When did that situation happen? This situation happened when we all agreed. How did you feel? I felt very happy. A childhood memory. Why was that situation important in your life? This situation was important because with my brothers we always played. How old were you in that moment? I was 6 years old at that time. What were you with? I was with my sister Astrid and my brother Walter. Your favorite moment in school? How were you with? I was with my classmates Hugo, Jefferson, Daniel, and my teacher Floralba. When did that event happen? This happened in July 2010. Where were you? I was in the class. Conclusion. In my life, good and family is the most important. So I try to spend time with them. My school friends still see them and they are very successful men. And going doing things I brought very good memories. Thank you.